This video shows you how to add users to your LMS account in 3 different ways. Number 1. Add the user by going to the Users tab. Click New User. Input all necessary details and click Create. The user will receive an email notification of their new account. Number 2. Invite the user. Click the Invite User button. Add the username or email address and select the group you want the user to invite into. Click the Invite button. The user will receive an email notification informing them to accept or decline the invitation. Once the invitation is accepted, they will be added to the group. Number 3. It's for a big group of users. Select the group. Click the Import Users button. Here you can find the import sheet template in an Excel file. The sheet requires the following details: first and last name, login username, email address, and password. Once you have completed all user details, you are ready to upload and import.